इसी के साथ चलते हैं हमारी नेक्स्ट पार्टिसिपेंट की तरफ, जिनका नाम है जवेरिया उसामा।
कुछ अहले सितम कुछ अहले चशम मैं खाना गिराने आए थे, दहलीज को चूम के छोड़ गए, देखा कि ये पत्थर भारी है। जख्मों से बदन गुलजार सही, तुम अपने शिकस्ता तीर गिनो, खुद अहले तरकिश कह देंगे ये बाजी किसने हारी है। Respected members of the jury and my fellow Pakistanis, Assalamu alaikum. Kashmir, a place of unimaginable beauty, a place filled with clear blue gushing waters that travel from the glaciers above, an enchanting place with high mountains and sloppy peaks, with green grasslands, is sadly burning today. Today it is surrounded by fire and blood. Today, instead of overflowing with the fragrance of beautiful flowers, it is being subjugated to the smoke of the bombs. The cries and screams of the poor mothers, widows, and orphans can be heard far and wide. Houses are being burnt to the ground. Populations are getting completely eradicated. Every single house has a body to bury. The life of these people means nothing, and death is completely taking over. My heart is exploding with grief, and my eyes are filled with bloody tears as I think about the atrocities that the Kashmiris are facing today. Imagine a poor child slaughtered right in front of his own mother, a sister brutally raped in front of her own brothers, parents being shot dead in front of their small children. That moment must not be anything less than Qayamat for these people. A Kashmiri kid was once heard saying, I am a Kashmiri. Hath not a Kashmiri eyes, hath not a Kashmiri hands, organs, senses, dimensions, passions, affections? Fed with the same food, hurt with the same weapon, subject to the same diseases, healed by the same means, warmed and cooled by the same winters and summers as a Pakistani or Indian is? If you prick us, do we not bleed? If you tickle us, do we not laugh? Then why this discrimination? Why are the Kashmiris not given the same living conditions as the others around the globe? Countless human rights violations are taking place in Indian occupied Kashmir every single day. Where is the United Nations? Where are the peacekeeping forces? Have we become deaf to the cries of these poor mothers? Or have our eyes been covered with dark cloths? Allah says in the Quran, and I quote, Whosoever kills a single human being, it shall be as if he has killed all of mankind. And whosoever saves a single human being, it shall be as if he has saved all of mankind. In the West, asking for independence is completely right. But when the Kashmiris ask for independence, it is wrong. In the West, military takeover is absolutely wrong. But when the same happens in Kashmir, it is absolutely right. In the West, fighting for your rights is termed as democracy and is appreciated. But when the Kashmiris fight for their rights, what happens to them? They are injured, they are abused, they are shot dead. Why? I ask why? I ask the government, do the Kashmiris not have the right to celebrate events and weddings like we do? Do the girls of Kashmir not have the right to fill their hands with beautiful colors of henna? Do the Kashmiri children not have the right to laugh like our own children do? Or have Kashmiri lives become nothing more than a joke to all of us? तू इधर उधर की बात न कर, ये बता काफिला क्यों लुटा, मुझे रहजनों से गिला नहीं, तेरी रहबरी का सवाल है. Mr. Imran Khan gave a very emotional and powerful speech in the United Nations General Assembly last year, but to no avail. The Kashmiris are still suffering today in the same way, just as they did last year. Mr. Martin Luther King said, the time is always right to do what is right. The time to save the Kashmiris is now, not tomorrow, not the day after, but now. कहते हैं कश्मीर एक जन्नत है और जन्नत ना कभी किसी काफिर को मिली है और ना मिलेगी. कश्मीर हूँ मैं, कश्मीर बनेगा पाकिस्तान, पाकिस्तान जिंदाबाद.